2 Polly Pockets. And if you haven't seen the last video, we opened gifts, and this was one of the gifts. And this shirt was also one of them. So go check that video out. And again, this is from my Ninong Icha, my Ninong Peng, and my friend Reese. And now we're gonna open the first one. I think I can start off with this. I'm gonna open it up. Oh my god! Oopsie. So if you don't know what kind of Polly Pocket this is like a little gumball machine, but instead of actual gumballs, we have little sequins. And if you shake it up, you're gonna see them bounce. And then I close it. But then I could just fix it. And then if we open it up, here it is. And then, so first we have like a tiny gingerbread house for a tiny little gingerbread. And then that's it for the first part. And then next we have a little candy seesaw. And here's where our characters can sit and stand. And here is where they can spin around. And that's it for this. So we put everything out. Now I'm going to show you what they are. So first I'm going to be focusing on this. This is called the Candy Cutie Gumball Compact. We have a tiny Polly with a big, beautiful skirt. Then we have another Polly. I don't know what the name is. And then we have an oven. And then a fridge. Tiny teacups. A lollipop. Yellow chocolate fondue. A candy. A gingerbread. 2 teacups. 1 pink teacup. 1 purple teacup. 1... I think a place for the fondue, a gingerbread horse, and 2 candy canes together. So this is what's inside the Candy Cutie Gumball Compact. We have a tiny house for, I think, a little gingerbread man. And then we have a little seesaw right there. Then we have somewhere that can spin where we can put our cups. And somewhere our 2 Pollys can fit. So we arranged everything in here. So let's open it up. So here we have the tiny gingerbread just chilling right over there. And then I forgot to mention that we can open this part. And then we have a tiny candy cane here. We have the oven here, the fridge here. So let's close this. And then here's the seesaw again. We put the tea here. Then we put the table here with the chocolate fondue with the little ginger horsey. And then we put the 2 little teacups there so that our 2 little Pollys can sit down. They were doing splits a while ago. And then, yay. So we're going to open the next one. So next we're going to open the second Polly Pocket, which is called the Unicorn Forest Compact. So, and it may be about unicorns because on the back it has a tiny unicorn here. And now we're going to open it up. I like the scratches in this. So we have here the accessories. And here we have it. So we have it right here. So as you can see, we have the little unicorn here. And then as we open it up, we have a mushroom. And then it can open with the unicorn. And then we have a tiny little butterfly swing. How cool, cute that is. And then we have a tiny river. Actually, we have a tree which has no bit of leaves in there. Then we have an ocean for a little mermaid because right here is the mermaid. And then we have two stables for two of our ponies. And the stairway, and that's it. So here is what we got from the Unicorn Forest Compact. So we have like, I don't know, sort of cart, another chocolate fondue, a pretty flower, a tea set, a chair, a table, two ponies, flowers, butterfly wings, treasure, another pair of butterfly wings, but we can put it on, a watering can, one Polly, I don't know the name, and then the Polly, the mermaid Polly, and that's all. So we arranged everything again. So if we open this up, we just have the little chair, and then we have the table, which we don't know where to put, with the chocolate fondue and the tea. And then we have the horses in the stable. Then we have the cart with the treasure, the flowers over there, our little mermaid over there, and our little Polly by the water doing a little split. And then here is the swing. That's all. So here are my two new Polly Pockets. So cute. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And plus, thank you to the Ichan Ninong Bang and my friend Reese for giving these to me. So the third toy we're going to be opening, it's not a Polly Pocket. It's the Ryan's World Tour toy again. And I only opened this unboxing part 2. Check it out after this video. So, and now we're gonna open it up. So we removed the tape here. So now we're gonna open it up. And if you don't remember, I got 8 of these characters before. If you don't remember, in New York. And this is from my auntie, I forgot to tell. Thank you very much. And along with this came with this mini character. There's mini Ryan here. I don't know where he's from, but. So now we're gonna take out the whole thing. Here. So here, there are mystery blind bags. I did not mean that. So, and here is the passport, stickers, and the code for Tag with Ryan, obviously. I'm gonna leave that aside. Now, we're gonna open these up. So we got Colombia Ryan, Colombia, second blind bag. Here. It's a combo, our first combo panda. I think this is China. I think this is China because I can tell from this. Wait, let me see. Yep, it's China. And then next, this only comes in 6. So. Oh, we got, what was the name of this? I forgot, but I'm just gonna check real quick. Who is this? So here is what I'm trying to find. And the one I got was United Kingdom, aka UK for short. And here is where you can collect all countries. So, time to proceed. We got 2 more to go. Oops. We got the Philippines! Let's go! We got my home country! day ever. Now the last one. I hope this is Sweden now. Nope, it's Gus. We got Australia again. Seriously? So, yeah! Woohoo! Let's go! Okay, comment below where you're from right now. So, now we're gonna... Okay, now we're gonna open these up and put them on the passport. So here is what we got. So first we have Australia again. Then we have Ghana, United Kingdom, Colombia, China, and then where I'm from, the Philippines. And now we're gonna put them on the passport. We're gonna put everything but Australia on my old passport. Because we already got Australia, we're gonna put it in the new one. So we put everything out, and here's what we got. We got Wales from UK, Ghana, Colombia, China, Australia again, and my home country, Philippines. And I would just wanted to say thank you to Tita Pao, my auntie, for giving this to me. And that's all for today. Okay, so we're back from Lekia, and here is the bag. So this is what I got. So the first thing, we have a small little squishmallow, which is a little ice cream. It's a reversible squishmallow. And we got this Miraculous ladybug become ladybug set. So we have the mask, the yo-yo, the little Akuma. You can change colors with it, clip-on earrings, and the little tiki. So my mom helped me with the tape, so now we're gonna open it up. Opened up the Miraculous. So there we have the set. There goes the box. Okay, so here's what we have in store. So we took out the yo-yo, and it seems okay. Camilla can have the yo-yo. Next, we should take our little tiki. Okay, so we took everything out, and here's what we got. We got the mask, the earrings, the butterfly, aka Akuma in the show. Tiki, our little Kwame in the show, and our little yo-yo. Okay, so this yo-yo has lines because it is meant for you guys to open it up. And put your little Akuma inside. What are you doing? Okay, here we are. And then say goodbye to our evil Akuma. But there is actually a life hack about this. That if you put warm water, if you put this Akuma in warm water, it will turn white. Okay, so I wore the mask, the earrings right here, and I'm going to show you my yo-yo tricks. Before I do it, rate my local 1 to 10. 3, I'm not a yo-yo expert, okay? 3, 2, 1. Okay, so it's on the box. It said that if you put this, wait, where is it? This little Akuma in warm water, it will turn into a regular white butterfly. So here is the warm water, and now we're gonna put it in. Okay. It changed to white immediately. Oh, we're gonna change it back to purple. So it's kind of developing, but we're gonna put it in. That was very fast. Before I forget, we're gonna be back to the squishmallows. So I forgot to mention that first we have an ice cream, and then you can just flip it just like that, and turns into, I think, another ice cream or something. I don't know, but it is really cute. It's my first ever squishmallow, and that's it for this video. I hope you all enjoy. Bye.